Think you've heard it all? Here are 4 strange and lesser-known military facts that'll blow your mind. Fact 1. Did you know the Finnish army once used skis as a key tactic in warfare? During the Winter War of 1939, Finnish soldiers on skis became known as the White Death. They were able to ambush Soviet troops by gliding through snow-covered forests, often undetected, thanks to their mobility and knowledge of the terrain. Fact 2. The Soviet Union had a secret underwater training facility where they trained divers to operate in near-freezing conditions. These divers worked on placing underwater mines and sabotaging enemy ships during the Cold War. The extreme training conditions prepared them for hostile, icy waters where few others could operate. Fact 3. The Kazakh army uses eagles as part of their military force. These eagles are trained to take down drones and other small flying objects. With their incredible speed and vision, eagles have been proven to be highly effective at intercepting enemy technology in the sky. Fact 4. The Swiss military has a tradition of training with halberds, yes, those medieval pole weapons. While it's mostly ceremonial today, the Swiss Guard at the Vatican still carries these massive spears. The halberd was once a vital part of Swiss infantry tactics, and they keep the tradition alive even in the modern era. From soldiers on skis to eagles taking down drones, the military has some seriously unique strategies. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild military history.